Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on your OPPO F21 Pro 5G. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. From here begin a search for Call of Duty. But as you can see, there's no game that we can download right here. So in order to fix this, let's go back, click on our profile icon, move to the settings, select Family, Parental Controls, go for the apps and games or parental controls right here, so you can disable them like this, enter your PIN code, click OK, or go for apps and games and that way enter your PIN code and increase PGE to at least 16, 18, all allow, all including unrated. Click save, go back, let's try finding Call of Duty again, and as you can see the game is right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.